They're gone now.
I'm taking quizzes.
I'm taking quizzes. Protect myself with the chair. Ew. Shoot my chin. Stop it.
Nothing for the camera.
Go away.
What was that?
I was going to ugh and I hiccuped.
It sounded like you're about to puke.
Stop, Allison.
I just did.
Oh, let me go. I spit all over that. Let go. You just got spit all over your wrist. I didn't mean to.
Quizzes.
I think they stopped. Would you stop every time I move? Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Stop! Like, oh my god, Allison, you get way too close. Whoa, Allison, I can't move. Move!
No.
Move!
No.
Oh! Damn it!
Damn it! No. You're trapped. Why are we rolling around the kitchen in chairs?
Da-da-da-da! Bam, bam! Leave my mouth.
My shadow.
What?
Wait, can you, it didn't work.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
What the fuck was that noise?
I snort!
You snorted.
He snorted! That was almost funny! I'm hungry, feed me.
I don't want
Nothing in here to eat.
That's because if you want food, you have to cook it.
Ew.
You?
Stop! I'm trying to move so I can get to the freezer. And you're not helping anything
No.
with the camera in my face! Damn it!
Watching you.
Look at this. Look at it. How do you like it now? Don't touch me with those dirty ow. Fuck you. They're bad.
Yes, they are.
You have hot dogs. Go find the wieners.
Kayla, secret, I have a wiener.
Dude, I never deleted that comment.
I know. People are gonna think you have a dick now. You remember when I tried to convince everybody I had a dick last year?
No, I don't.
Oh yeah. You were still phone. Who is it?
Daniel, tell them to call me.
Oh.
Hello? Hey, you have big ears.
Say goodbye.
Bye!
Bye.